Hi, this is my tutorial on how to animate basically any sprite in Brawlhalla. The method's a bit rough, but I just wanted to get it out there. So, first thing you'll have to do is open up the Brawlhalla game files, figure out what character you want to mod, and then you just want to open them up in JPEGs. Wait for it to load, then you want to export to FLA. So I'm just going to click that. So what I've done, I'll show you, I've made a file. I made a folder for all these files just because it doesn't create a folder for you and there's a lot of files, so just be aware of that when you do this. So it does take a while, well not that long, there we go. So it takes a bit, but it's all done. So here are the files. Basically what I'm going to do is open them up in Adobe Animate, which is basically the new Flash, I'm pretty sure. If you have Flash, you might be able to open them up in that. So here we go. All the files are here in the library. So what I'm going to do is find the file that I want to animate. So I'm just going to animate a scythe. I'll animate this one. Here we go. So I'm just going to double click to open it. And here it is. So first thing you want to do is select everything. Right click, go convert to symbol, and you want to make it a graphic. Go OK. Once you've done that, you want to double click inside that graphic. So you're inside it. So outside, inside. And then you can start animating. So what I'm going to do is just put in a bunch of keyframes down here. Yeah. Alright, so let's change something about this image. Alrighty, so there's my little animation. What I'm going to do is go back here, and you can see when I try and play the animation here, nothing happens. But if I do it inside here, it plays. Basically, the reason we've done this is so you can control how long you want to play the animation. So I'll show you how to do that. So what you want to do is create like one frame here. You just want to insert a frame. Then you want to double click there, and then you want to drag it out. You don't want to create extra frames, you want to like drag it out, and then you can decide how many frames you want to play this for. So I'm just going to go 15, and then you can see it plays for 15 frames. Alright, so I've done the mod, I've made my animated weapon. So what you need to do is to, make it usable in the game, you need to go export movie, and yeah, just save it. So I'm going to just save it to my desktop here. Sometimes it can take a bit, so it's got to be patient. Alrighty, it's going to open up Brawlhalla, and it's actually pretty simple. You just drop the file as a replace, and we'll test it out. So let's have a look.
Welcome to Brawlhalla Training.
Mordex, where's that? There it is. So, yep, give myself the sight. As you can see, it's animated. You can basically do this with anything in the game. There are some downsides to doing it like this. When you export the FLA file from JPEGs, it does break some of the colors. As you can see, some of his fur is black and his nose is sort of half missing. Unfortunately, I don't really know how to get around that. Maybe someone else can figure out how to, you know, maybe merge the files or export the FLA file without, you know, the file breaking a bit. But yeah, that's basically how to animate any sprite in Brawlhalla. Thanks for watching.